So let's see here how we can add a data link. We'll click on table command, or we can type shortcut as well, TB enter. Now we have to go to the option from the empty table. This is one option, and second option from a data link. So right now we'll choose from a data link and we'll click on this option and we'll create a new data link, and here you can give a name. The name I'll type here bill of material. Okay. And after doing that, it will give you the option to browse that file. So from here, we'll click on these three dots and we'll go to the location where we have our file. So I have placed my documents in my drive. So I'll look here, AutoCAD, the bill of material on Excel is available. So I'll open this Excel. So before doing okay, you having two options are there, like you want to link entire sheet or you want to take a range. Like if you know the range, if we know the ranges, we can put the ranges, or if you want to take complete sheet that you are having, you can take complete sheet. So here you can type, or we'll take initially that complete sheet and we'll do okay. Now after doing okay, again one more time we have to do okay here. It will load the preview and we'll do okay. Now last, again it will show you the preview here and we'll click okay. So our table will become like this. So if you want to edit initially, you cannot edit because all that content are locked here. So we know that last we have seen that how we can lock and unlock the content. We can go here and we can unlock and we can use it. Now like I want to change from the original file this content, and then I'll see if I change anything there, it will be update here or not. So let's see by updating in the Excel file. So this is my Excel file which I have attached there. So if I make any changes, that will be get updated there. Let me remove this color to white and this also into normal color black. And like this values I want to update. I said it should be 10, it should be 2, it should be 8, 6, 1, 7, 2, 5, 2, and we'll keep it 10. Now we have to just save and go to software. So once we updated the file and come to the software, we'll get that one message here, the data link has been changed. So any table using a data link maybe need to update it. So we can click on this updated table using data link. So when we click on this, my table will be get update here. So it's showing here it is updating. We can see here it is updated. The values are updated, but the color font is not changed because we have changed here. Might be we changed here. That's why it's not changed. So we can select this and we can change here also. I want to keep it normal one. So we can update it. So because why I changes the format, because the format is not locked, only the content is locked. So I can change the color according to the requirements. If you want to change any content here, then I have to unlock the content, then only I can change it. I can click unlock. Now this value, if I want to change it, I can change it here. So any modification we want to do, we can update it now by unlocking the content. Or after that you feel that you want to lock it back, we will simply click lock and we can lock our content. So this is how we can attach a data link from Excel file.